Hello friends, welcome to Sambhav Technical Solutions. I am Sumrit Hazra. Today I am going to show you how to run Java in CMD. So let's get started. Friends, in the previous video I have shown you how to install Java, and now in this video I am going to show you how to run it in the CMD, or you can say command prompt. So let's get started. And I have given the link in the description for the installation of Java. Go check it out. So after the installation of Java, we have to go to the folder and search here for Java. After knowing the file location, you can just go to your local disk C or anywhere else if you have saved it, and then program files, and here you will find Java and JDK20. So here I have the JDK20 installed in the previous video. So now here we have to set up some environment variables. For that we have to search here edit environment variables for account and click on open. So here you have to access this window for running Java in CMD, but for some users these three options might be disabled, as you can see my one. So if you want to access this, you have to go to the settings and go to system, then scroll down to about tab, and here you will get the advanced system settings. Click on there, and here you will get the system properties window open here, and go to advanced tab and go down to environment variables. And now from here the same window is going to open, but these three options will be enabled. So now you have to next click on new, and you have to type here the variable name as Java, and you have to give the path of the variable. To access the path, we have to go to JDK20 and go to the bin folder, and you have to just copy this path, Ctrl+C here, and go to this one and type this Ctrl+V, and you can do it, or you can also browse the file. Okay, let's click on OK here, and now let's click on this one, new variable name Java, and here you have to give the variable value of the JDK20, not up to the bin. Ctrl+C, and you can also paste this one like this, and then click on OK. And now next you have to click on OK to save all these changes, and now you can close all these windows. Now you can open command prompt, or you can just CMD and click enter, and here you have to type Java space -version, and now you can see the version of your Java, and I have installed the latest version as I have shown you in the previous video. So like this you can type Java and load this Java program into your PC. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Thanks for